try to tell people for don't post stuff at all. Because I don't want Khanice to be remembered like that. Khanice is a good girl. We don't want her to be remembered like that.
A what at a trend? Oh, the trendy dancehall. Subscribe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another video on the trendy dancehall. We are going to talk about where the description of the video says, so please do subscribe and like before that are the golden rule. You see me, guys? Yeah. So this brother right here seems to be Khanice's boyfriend. Is it? And you don't know when you're on a person there for a long while. Who know you better like that person, right? So him have this for say about her.
Alright, Chris. Me know, you see, if you see any picture of when them did find her body, please don't post it up at all. Try to tell people for don't post it up at all. Because I don't want Khanice to be remembered like that. Khanice is a good girl. We don't want her to be remembered like that. Khanice is a sweet, innocent girl. I tell you that. And more emphasize on how the police was all just relaxing in the whole situation. Them just laid back. Half the time me and my people them have to investigate the whole of situation. Cause you know say we have connection them with it. So I have to make the whole of Jamaica know. So that I have to do. And every time we get information, I send it in the police, send it to multiple of them, detective, superintendent, whoever them be. Mine shop and Joel is probably get a message from me already. And yeah, nothing happen. I'll taxi man. As I said, nobody now search and them a behave like them a idiot. So I emphasize on this and more the whole of Jamaica know. Say yo, them need to change how them a deal with them situation. Too much of them little girl there get raped. Too much of them people there in Jamaica go missing. I can't find them. Lucky enough I find Khanice. I can lay her to rest. God bless her soul. I'm just trying to go down in the tears because I have to be strong for everybody else around me. You see me?
It's deep. Yo, Jano, this deep in that, like this deep in the viewers, deeper than where we even think. You see me? And we hear say other brother here right now them have as the suspect. You see me? Not that I'm sure, right? But them a use it and spread awareness of images and texts and all different sort of things. Prove it, but me not try spread no false rumor, so I just a try, spread awareness end of the day. And I open to understand that. You see me? Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yeah.
The free, brother. We not have to pay a dime when I rape, brother. And then when I look, I make woman a cuss man overall. I only make man get bad name in the bedroom. I like them style.
Yeah, man. Respect for that, my bro.
Yeah, man.
All right. Yeah,
Yeah. So, like I was saying, I try to make peace with as much of it as I can. I tried therapy. The girl said she cut herself. I tried committing suicide twice. You understand me? Because me being raped or whatever, I ended up in foster care. Because they did ended up taking me when my mom called 911. The cops came. I was underage babysitting 2 kids. Yeah, they took me to the hospital. They did a rape kit. And this is like, I'm telling you, like 3-4 weeks after it happened. So, a semen is supposed to live in a female for what, 48 hours tops? And when they did the rape kit, his semen was still around my cervix. So they saw that I wasn't lying.
How long is semen supposed to live in?
About 48 hours. It's not
48
like
hours.
Yeah, unless it's
how
like
long after they do the rape test?
4 weeks.
Wow.
4 weeks.
So how is that?
My mother cried. My mother, because she couldn't really do nothing. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, like most people, I know a couple people on here that's familiar with my personality, like from growing up. They never really understood, you know what I'm saying? A lot of them too, I went to middle school with, you know, they would see you come in looking a certain way and don't really understand what's going on home. Even with that. So they make people feel, you know what I'm saying, you can't confide in nobody. You can't
True.
confide in nobody. And this blaming this victim thing, it don't matter if a female take a man money. It don't matter. Whatever you went, you know what you was going into whatever situation. You understand me? And if a female say no, if a female say no at any given moment, it's no. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If a person rob you, you call the police, right or wrong?
True.
But you cannot say, oh, licky this, that, and the third, because some females, they have to go out there and fend because their mother don't have it or have it and won't give it to them. So at the end of the day, y'all cannot do that. Y'all cannot do that. And sometimes the mother themselves is damaged, so they can't even they can't even teach the pitney nothing because they don't know nothing no better. You know what I'm saying? I try my best. Like yesterday, my daughter went outside. Like I just moved out of New York, came down here to Atlanta, thinking I'm moving somewhere better. My daughter went outside to walk my cousin's dog yesterday. A man gonna tell her, ask her if she sucked dick. My daughter's 11 years old.
11.
11 years old. And I gotta tell her so she have a nice butt. Instantly, I ran outside because he don't even know what that triggered in me. And it take everything all the time I love, I finna really lick up the man, or me really did want to lick him down, you know. After me, it's a brick, man, for just take and slap him with a brick. And everybody come out to ask me what happened. And I said, this nigga's a pervert. I only need to move him up from around here, sir. Then his mother gonna come down and tell me that he's schizophrenic. If he's sick,
Schizophrenic and bumbleclot.
Exactly. If him sick people need for them in a place. For medication and a straight jacket. Yo, I'm telling you, like it's everywhere. But Jamaica, it's definitely sad because I have a sister out there, my mom lives out there. You know what I'm saying? Like, trust me. But when I say on the need to be more supportive, like us black women, we need to be more supportive to each other. No matter what nobody else is saying, we need to be more, because we criticize each other more than anything else. From mother to grandmother to sister, like we will more believe a person that we just met over a person that we know for years. Like, are you sure? What do you mean if they're sure? You're guilty till proven innocent. That's how I look at it.
True.
Cause if the thought even coming at somebody's mind, that means you make a pass. That's if you never. My mother always say you lay with dog, you rise with sleep. So if you never, let's say your name wouldn't call. Period.
Respect for that, my friend.
Extra traumatized with that stuff. But like I said, some of the older females, like women on here, like I listen, y'all a lot of good topics, but it's like y'all start to stray and then it's turned into a victim blame. Because you're basically seeing some of them look a gala, them too licky. It doesn't matter. We're all females and it's our vagina. If we say no, it's a no. You can't, well, me can't go on with a man right now, right? And I'm going to go on with him. I'm going to go him house, and him house, me did have the intention to sleep with him. So me and him go on a date, and we are drink and we are vibe. I'm going to go him house, and it house not up to my standard. And me decide, say, yo, you know, I want to leg up.
Mine, Vice Brock.
Yeah, you know, I want to leg up. Oh, is that no? If you don't care, me then leave me. Me take a cab or whatever. But come on, no, me can't change my mind. We're all adults.
Yeah, man, no, I know.
Come on.
No, I know.
No means no. It don't matter how we take it. No matter your problem. If you want to spend out your money if you're not getting a vagina, that's your business.
Sure.
It have nothing to do with licky. That's victim blaming, and that's why a lot of females don't say nothing. Because up to this day, me and my stepmother just got in a whole argument. And she tell me, say no. She look at me and tell me, say, she gonna make me name out her garbage bin because I still talk about her son. Your son's violated me. Your son took my innocence.
True.
And caused me a lot of trauma. Trauma that I'm still repairing.
Whoa.
And see, my dad, like I said, my dad, I mean, I know him, never know no better. So I can't even like. I'm just done with that situation. I wish him nothing but the best, and he God ended up giving my 2 other girl pitney. Yeah,
Just go on with the faith, my friend.
Yeah, that's it. I survived.
Hold the faith and be strong.
Yeah,
man, hold the faith and be strong.
Yeah, stop judge people and check on your peoples, yo. Check on your peoples.
Respect for that.